onwards with the strip down then. So I need to get everything out of the chassis. So I'm just going to start desoldering wires and things and just making space. And then hopefully I can get this to a point where I can get the transformers out by the end of the day. That would be great. But we'll see how it goes. I've taken all the photos I need to document where everything goes. And I've also found a great website online where a guy has done a full chassis layout drawing in a modern style, so you can see where everything goes. All these runs of long twisted wires I'm going to try and keep together so I can put them back in as they are. But yeah, it's all got to come out, it's all got to be cleaned, and it's all got to be done. But my goal is to try and save as many of the components inside as possible and reuse them, and only replace them if they are completely gone. So all these switches on and jacks on the back, hopefully they're all okay. All the turret stuff, sorry, the tag strip stuff, I'm going to have to make new boards, I know that. But hopefully some of the pots we might be able to resurrect. Get some more lighting on there for you. There you go. So we'll just see how it goes. But I'm going to spend the next half an hour or so making some good progress on this. And we'll see how we get on. Right, big moment then. The board can come out. There's no way you would be able to restore that and reuse that. It's just gone. It's completely gone. The underboard too, look. Right, let's carry on. Right, that's the chassis stripped down then. All I've got left to do is get rid of the plastic grommets, these things here. There's a screw there, but it is, if I show you, soldered in there. So we're going to have to unsolder that. I need to get the ground strip out. I need to desolder this one here and here. Then I can get that out and get it cleaned. And I'm going to remove the old cathode grounds as well. Clean it all up. Then we can get this thing washed. Right. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm now going to go and thoroughly clean myself and all of my tools because I actually feel gross. I mean, it's awful. And it smells. And if you remember in the footage when I took the rear panel off and I wiped it down, it was all mouse urine in there. It's just disgusting, just absolutely revolting. So fingers crossed I don't catch any diseases. But yeah, we're now down to the chassis that's not in great shape, is it?